Want to add a custom guild tag to your Discord profile using your phone? Here's exactly how to do it. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the top left corner and tap on the server name to open the drop-down menu. From there, head into Server Settings. Now, if you're part of Discord's experimental program, you might see an option called Guild Settings or Server Tags under the Community section. If that's there, you're all set to can create a tag right from there. But for most people, that option won't show up. So let's go with the method that actually works for everyone. Next, you'll want to join a server that already has guild tags available. A good place to start is the Guild Archive server. Just do a quick search online for Guild Archive Discord and you should find a link to join. Tap it and join the server. Once you're in, look for a channel labeled something like tags or guild tags. Inside, you'll see a bunch of tag options tied to different servers. Scroll through and find one that catches your eye, maybe a sword icon, a lightning bolt, or something else with a 4-letter code. Tap on it to open the linked server's profile. From there, hit Join Server. Some servers might ask you to fill out a quick application or agree to rules before you're let in. Just follow the prompts. Once you're inside that new server, go to your profile. On mobile, you can tap your avatar in the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you see Server Tags. You should see the tag you just unlocked by joining. Tap on it and it'll be added to your profile instantly. Now, anywhere on Discord, that tag will show up right next to your name. It's a small detail, but it adds a little personality to your profile, and that's all there is to it. If you run into any trouble or have questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.